is to this land that many lives were laid down, and it is from this land that many lives have been lifted up. This ancient saying is older than the borders of countries. For peace and justice may be brought to fulfillment. Amen.
I say nine, you say Nijmegen! Nine! Nijmegen! 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 By the left! Quick! March!
In a grueling display of endurance, stamina, and reverence, the Canadian Forces participates in the Nijmegen marches each year in the Netherlands, covering the same historical ground as their fallen brethren in World War II. Beginning in 1909 as an intensive preparation for the Dutch military, the Nijmegen marches have grown into an annual test of resilience and determination for up to 45,000 military personnel and civilians from around the world. Since 1952, the Canadian Forces have been an integral part of this long-distance hike through the streets of Holland. More than 250 personnel, representing at least 15 branches of the Canadian Forces, trained for months to be able to complete the 160-kilometer course with a weighted rucksack slung over their shoulders. With just 4 days from start to finish, it's a daunting task, but our contingent has always been ready to face the challenge.
People want to know! People want to know! Who we are! Who we are! So we tell them! Ranger! Ranger!
Crowds of Dutch citizens line the streets to show their support and pay their respects. There is a deep abiding affection for the Canadian Forces from the people of the Netherlands, for it is in the area of Nijmegen that over 7,600 Canadian men lost their lives to free the Dutch and save them from tyranny. Of course, more than 2,300 still lie buried at the Grosbeek Canadian War Cemetery. And included in the march is a somber salute to those men who made the ultimate sacrifice. The Nijmegen marches are an emotional and physical reminder for today's soldiers of what their predecessors endured to bring an end to World War II. However, it is also a celebratory atmosphere, with the friendly interaction between the Dutch people and the Canadian contingent continuing to foster the connection the two countries share with one another. Each year for a few days in July, that bond is renewed and strengthened yet again between both nations and the people who represent them.
Yeah, we love this thing on your country.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
At the going down of the sun and in the morning, we will remember them.